We are Thursday the 27th of July 2025 and my partner and I are still living currently in Brussels, Belgium, and we are moving out on Tuesday the 29th of July, so exactly next Tuesday. And we're going back to the town where we were born and where we met, which is Charleroi. For Belgian people, they know where it is. You might not, but that's where our families are, and we're going back to our parents' house so that we can wait there until we fly out to Da Nang, Vietnam on the 29th of August. I'm personally a little bit stressed. I wouldn't say I'm anxious or anything, but I'm a little bit stressed, and I'm mostly super excited and can't wait to get there. And Osman is only 100% chill about it and chill about the trip. Super excited to get there. He can't wait, and I can't wait neither. But because I'm an anxious person, naturally, I will always have a little bit of an apprehension for a big change in my life. I have pets and families who I love very much. I have a lot to lose moving away from them. I'm very close to my mom, very close to my father. I love my brother, and I love all my families and cousins, and my animals, my cat, my dog, my horse. I'm terrified to leave them behind me, being away for a few months and then coming back, and then a few months and then coming back. And the only thing that I'm holding on to is thinking to myself, okay, it's like you're taking a long vacation and then you come back and enjoy them for a month, and then you go back to Da Nang. I'm super excited to go away, but I'm so attached to pets and families that it's ripping my heart out at the same time. So I'm on my way to the gym, and we stopped our membership for the end of the summer, so we are still taking advantage of it as much as we can, and then we'll find a gym over there in Da Nang, Vietnam. It's shoulder time. We just ate some Belgian French fries, and now we are at a bar called Delirium in Brussels, and Osman is getting the tequila shots and a vodka Red Bull for me. So it's party time. It's party time. We're enjoying Brussels before we're leaving forever to go to Da Nang in Vietnam. Hi guys, we are the next day. We were so drunk last night. It was so funny. We had so much fun. Just Osman and I just getting drunk and having a really good time. So like I said, we're really enjoying everything that Brussels has to offer before our trip to Da Nang, Vietnam. And yeah, we're having a good time before we move out of this apartment. And I woke up quite early. I think I woke up at 7 a.m. considering that yesterday I went to bed around 2 a.m. So I'm in a pretty good shape. I'm preparing lunch right now. I'm doing asparagus, crispy chicken, oven crispy chicken. So let me show you. It's cooking. It's gonna be good. Yeah, so a little coffee this morning, you know, for the hangover, which I don't quite feel actually. I don't feel hangover at all, but I guess it's there somewhere. Maybe at 30 you resist, you know, you're really strong, and they say at 30 you can't get drunk anymore, like it's so bad the next day. But actually it was worse when I was a teenager, and actually now I feel really good after drinking just 1 or 2 glasses of wine or a vodka or anything. Please subscribe to this channel. I mean, you're gonna follow me and Osman from Belgium to Da Nang, Vietnam, and it's gonna be a really great journey. You're gonna see how we get there and everything along the way. So that's gonna be fun. So subscribe and like this video. Leave me a little comment if you have any questions. I will read my comments and answer the questions. So kiss kiss goodbye. Thank you for watching. I am currently packing. I'm sorting out every piece of clothes that I have, and I have so many hangers. So many. Look at that. That's insane. That's just so much. And in the bathroom, I just emptied my drawer, and I'm sorting out everything. I'm throwing away stuff, and I'm keeping stuff. You know, right now it amazes me. I don't know about men, but girls, as a woman, it amazes me how much shit you can accumulate over the years. I mean, I have so much stuff, and I'm sure I have barely nothing compared to other girls. I'm sure you guys have way much more than I have in terms of cosmetics and creams and stuff, shampoos, nail polish, perfume. I mean, I have so much. And yeah, you get so much shit, and you know, maybe half of it I'm never using it. Like, there's so much cream here I've never put on my face. Like, yeah, whatever. I mean, now I'm a minimalist, which means I'm getting rid of everything I'm not using, and I'm bringing to Vietnam only really important stuff. I mean, really things that are necessary and that I'm gonna be using.